So in this part we will continue with a very important notion, which is function. We can consider two sets with some elements and another set with some elements, and we can consider connections between these two sets. If we make that this point is connected to this one is connected to this one is connected to this one, and this one connects to this one, then making these connections we define a function from a set A, which is called domain, or in full domain of definition of the function. And this set, even with this isolated element, is called codomain. And if we consider just the set of all the points from the codomain which are attained, which are achieved as a result, this is called the range of the function. Česky se říká definiční obor funkce a obor hodnot funkce. The domain of definition and the range of the function. This concept works with any general sets, but we in engineering mathematics will be often working with real numbers. So we have a set of real numbers, and once more the set of real numbers, and we can consider some function, let's call it f, from R to R. An example, if we write fx is x squared, then this is a nice description, nice definition of one particular function. X is called the argument, the input, the independent variable of the function, or pre-image. And x squared is this is called the result, the image, the output of the function. We can build a table with a few values, 0, 1, 4, 9, and we can sketch these points into a plane. And if we consider all the real values and all the results, then x and x squared will form a nice curve called parabola. So we can define one particular function in several ways, either by some useful formula, or by a table of values, or by a graph, or just in simple words. If you receive a number, multiply it with itself, that means compute the square, and this is the result. We are happy when we can express the function using a formula like that. This is perhaps the most convenient way, and we are used to it. And we are happy when we are able to sketch the graph of the function, because it tells a lot of important information in a nice way. In this case, the domain of definition is the whole set of real numbers, because there is no problematic operation, and the range of this function is not the whole R, because for real arguments you get never a negative result. So this is the left closed interval from 0 to infinity, sometimes denoted R plus 0. In a more precise way, the graph of the function is the set of all the f of x, where x is from the domain of definition of the function. So that was the definition or description of a function, and in the next chapter we will discuss some elementary functions.